Hi everyone, I'm making a quick video here to help you learn how to get the most information and help out of the grades area, both in terms of getting feedback from me and also how to track your progress. So when you are in your home page for Canvas, you'll see over here for the grades area, there's a number with a circle around it. This means there are 6 new grades entered. Anytime new grades are entered and you haven't gone in to check your grades, you'll see how many new ones you might want to go in and take a look at. So when I click into the grades area, you'll see, so this test student, I have to go through and do all the assignments myself for the test student. So it's showing that there's a lot of things that were submitted late here. Hopefully you will not have this many late submissions. Typically, if there's a late submission, you will not see a complete assessment. In other words, you won't see a check mark, which means that you have completed the assignment and gotten credit for that assignment. Remember, you have to submit things on time in order to earn that completion assessment, unless you contact me ahead of the due date, or unless it's a Friday due date. So when you see the check mark, it means you've earned the completion assessment for that task. However, if you see an X, it means that you have not earned the completion assessment for that particular task. Typically, I will leave you feedback in the assignments area about why you did not earn the completion assessment. And very often I'll give you an opportunity to redo the assessment so that you can earn credit for it, so you can improve your work and keep learning. So anytime you see an X, be sure you go in and check the feedback so you know what you can do to keep improving and keep learning. When you see these little comment bubbles over here, it means I've left a comment for you in the assignment area. If you click on the comment bubbles, it will open the overall feedback over here on the left margin. And you can also look at the rubric, and that will open the rubric down here, and it will show you which things you've earned a completion, which things you've completed successfully for that assignment, and which things you did not complete successfully for that assignment. When I click on the rubric again, I either can click on the icon again, or I can just click Close Rubric. The other way to see the complete information about an assignment is to just click into the assignment area overall. When I do that, by clicking on the assignment title, it shows me the full assignment area. It gives me a chance to resubmit it. It gives me a chance to look at the rubric. If I click here, it will open the rubric. It gives me a chance to see the overall comment for the assignment, and it allows me to give a comment back to the instructor. So if I have a question or I want to clarify something that I did in the assignment, I can use this comment and we can have a conversation that way about your work. So always feel free and encouraged. And in fact, for this particular task, I'm asking you to go in and make sure you send me a comment in response to a comment I've given you in Canvas. I'm going to go back to the overall grades area here. The last thing I'll show you is about keeping track of your progress in class overall. What you see over here is not going to be helpful. You'll see everything just says 0%. So if you're looking over here at the right column or at your total 0%, it doesn't tell you anything about how you're doing in the class. The way you see your overall progress to keep track of whether you're meeting what you've contracted for in terms of your grade is you scroll to the bottom of your grades area. And down at the bottom, you'll see our overall assignment categories: individual assignments, collaborative assignments, and reflection assignments, and foundational assignments. For each of these, you can see how many there have been total. There have been 7 individual assignments. This test student got 6 of them for complete assessments, which gives them overall 85.71% so far. For collaborative assignments, the person's gotten 3 out of 4 completions, so 75%. For reflection assignments, only 1 out of 2, so that's only 50%. But keep in mind that we're early in the quarter, and So we don't have that many assignments that you have submitted. So if this person, for the reflection assignments, keeps getting them consistently submitted for the rest of the quarter, that percentage is just going to keep going up and up and up. Remember that you have to meet your grade goal in each of these areas. So you can't get 50% here and 100% here and then have that be a 75% overall. So you say you have contracted for a B grade, you have to get the right percentage in each area in order to earn that B grade by the end of the quarter. So you can check your progress anytime here. And if you have questions or concerns, if you're not meeting your goal, be sure to get in touch with me and I can help you out. So I hope that's helpful, and let me know if you have questions.